Hey folks, welcome to this product update from Zorp. So this week, we're going to talk mostly about tables. We've done three major things this week. The first one is we have rebuilt tables on a completely new platform. So the previous table was okay, but it lacked certain advanced capabilities. It was good to get started, but we couldn't do a lot of stuff. So rebuild things from scratch. So the new table will give you the type of column that you're actually working on. It has some advanced settings in terms of you can pin certain columns to the left, you can pin more of them, and you can pin certain items to the right. And it also provides some advanced filtering capabilities. We'll talk about filters in a bit. What you can do is you can also hide certain columns. So if we hide certain columns, they'll not be visible. So when you don't need to see a particular column, you can actually hide it, but it will still be visible for other users. So when you want to show all columns, just click on show all columns and all the columns will get visible. Pretty neat, right? The second thing I want to talk about is our global search. So we have rebuilt search from scratch. Now our search functionality is way more powerful. It can globally search across thousands and thousands of records in a few seconds. So let's get started. So we'll probably say Bala, and you'll immediately see the record. You will see all the active records. So pretty much whatever you want, just go ahead, type the details and you'll get it right away. Now the third thing I want to talk about is advanced filtering. So click on these filters and it opens up an advanced filter provision. So here you can filter for a specific column. Okay. So here I can say Rahul and you see Rahul, which is pretty straightforward. The difference over here is that you can use certain matching criteria. Right now it is just contains Rahul. But you can also add other things saying ends with, starts with, equals, empty, not empty. You can do a lot more conditions on top of this. So these advanced filtering capabilities will help you fine tune how you want to see your data. The search is something you actually use when you want to quickly get access to something. Hopefully this helps. Apart from this, we've done a bunch of bug fixes. So there was an issue where when the search involves two terms, it wouldn't search properly. But that's something that has been fixed. The second thing is, let's say you apply a filter and you open the record and you come back, the filter used to go away. It would result in, the filter getting removed and you'll have to refilter again. So now the filters are a lot more persistent. The same thing for the pagination also. So pagination wasn't persisting movement between different pages, but that's something that actually persists right now. Hopefully these changes are helpful to you. Please keep sending us these feedbacks. So most of these feedbacks came from our customers. So how else can we actually improve tables for you? Just drop it in the comments and we'll pick it up pretty soon. So see you next week.